Yo, we're in Austin right now, and this is how you wake up your homeboy. What's up? Hey, you ready, dude?
What up, man?
You ready, man? You ready for party night or what?
Let's go, fool.
Nigga snoring, dog.
What?
Nigga snoring hard, fool. Come on, get up.
Bitch.
Take some shots.
Good.
Okay, what we got here? Got some Republic tequila. And what's this? Bacardi? Let's see. What are we gonna drink out of? This coffee. I'm doing a video. Nasty, bro.
Fuck it.
Or look, this is
Damn.
this is happening before we go out. So it's going down tonight, and Panda Wasted Part 2 comes soon. Stay tuned. Let's take a shot. Damn, you stink, bro.
Thank you for you.
Damn. No homo, no homo. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna save some footage for later.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you stink, fool. You're pouring there, what's up? You gotta wake the other niggas up from the room. Alright, cool. Say, man, you trying to. What's this? Oh, to the top or what?
What?
Alright, cheers. Come on, man. I gotta get ready. We gotta get ready. 2010
Ew.
party in Austin. Yeah.
Let's go.
Ugh. Yeah, boy.
Ah.
When it's your lips. When it hits your lips. Good shit.
Woo.
Okay. I need to open my eyes up. You ready for tonight?
Damn, it's already almost 11.
Yeah, let's get it popping. Already. Yeah, dog.